Pranay here, and today I will be showing you how you can draw these characters easily by using some simple shapes and techniques. Firstly, we will be deciding how tall our character is going to be, and according to that make the markings to get the height of the character. After this, we will first start with drawing the head of the character. Here, for the side profile, we can observe a right angle shaped head, so let's start that. Full disclosure, this character is not my original character, I am just using it as a reference for this video. After drawing the basic shape, start placing the main character elements of the head, that is, eyes, ears, nose and the hair of the character. Moving to the body of the character, you can see that I am first drawing the hand of the character and also deciding how long the torso portion of the character should be. After the torso, let's start with drawing the legs. Make sure you sketch them according to the height or the personality of the character that you are drawing. Now add some minor details like curls in the trousers and also completing the hair of the character, other accessories that the character is wearing. For the front 3/4 view of the character, you can observe that the face is a bit skewed square kind of shape. After drawing the head, I am drawing some simple rough shapes in which the character is going to fit. Make sure it is proportionate to the character that you sketched previously. Now for this part of the drawing, we will be just repeating the steps of the previous sketch, that is adding the facial characters, drawing the torso with the clothes on, and finally the legs and the shoes. After the light sketch, now I am using a 4B pencil to make it darker and add more details to the drawing. I will be also adding some shadows to make it a little more realistic. When you use a reference image to practice drawing characters, observe the fine details like the type of the clothes, expressions, which will help you to give the character that you want to make either a good or a bad personality, good or an evil personality as per the requirements. The proportions of the character in which it has to be created also play a vital role in making it either a hit or a miss. And here you go, you are all set to draw your own character or practice some character drawings. You can find many inspirations on Pinterest, Google, or Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Leave a like if you did, and also comment your favorite part of the video or the step that helped you the most.